Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priya Mehta from Nairobi, and today I am making a video in English for my English speaking viewers, how to use Ho'oponopono prayer to manifest your life partner or a soulmate. I prefer saying it a life partner because soulmates are not necessary has to be your love partner. Soulmate can be a friend also, a relative also, another relationship other than love affair also. Anyways, Ho'oponopono exactly has four statements. So we have I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, and I thank you. So these four statements are basically the magical statements. Why I tell them the magical statements? Because forgiveness, giving forgiveness and seeking forgiveness are the two aspects of life which will clear your old karmas. Karmas as in, we don't know in our past lives or in our today's life what negative emotions or what negative energies we have attracted knowingly or unknowingly from different people. We don't know whom we have hurt. We don't know what bad or negative energies some people hold for us, because those negative energies which they are emitting from them for us, those energy strings are somewhere attached to us and they block our way. So since we don't know who we have hurt, since we don't know who all people are sending us the bad energy and we're getting blocked, so in that case I prefer that we seek forgiveness from all the souls in this universe. So when we say I'm sorry, so we have to feel it and say it. I'm so sorry to every soul on this earth. I'm sorry if knowingly, unknowingly, I have hurted you, or I have mistreated you, or I have taken you for granted, or for any reason I have sent negative energy to you. I seek forgiveness. Please forgive me and set me free. Same ways, please, I forgive each and every soul on this universe who has knowingly, unknowingly, in this life or in other life, have mistreated me or hurt me or had, you know, uh, you know treated me badly. I forgive all of you with love, and I set you all free. So whenever we are announcing forgiveness giving and forgiveness seeking, we are announcing it to the universe and sending these forgiveness vibes to the people connected, which we don't know, but we are connected with them virtually on energy levels. So we have to, in that manner, whenever we are doing such forgivenesses, the energy cord slowly dissolves and we set each other free. Okay, so the more energy cords we have attached with our aura or with our energy, somewhere down the line things will get blocked in your life. Either physical ailments or any of the work will get blocked. So these forgiveness seeking and forgiveness asking is something amazing. It really helps you, what do you say, nullify your karmas, the deeds we have been doing. So forgiveness, soul to soul forgiveness reaches very fast. So slowly, since we have to seek forgiveness, and it has to be practiced every day, daily, for so many times, as many times possible as you can, you should do it. Because we don't know which karma is blocking us. We don't know how many times we have created a negative energy in our this life or last life. So we have to cleanse it slowly. People ask me, how do you get the indication of how things are getting better? See, whenever you will dissolve few energy cords with other people, slowly your things will start, good things will start popping up in your life. Good people will start showing up in your life. Because when small blockages block your life in daily day-to-day things, you will start seeing small things now, coming up to you easily. Pleasing people are coming up to you now. Small things which used to be a big task for you, now you're able to clear them easily, you're able to finish them easily. Getting my point? So these two things are from the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry, please forgive me. The other two statements are, I thank you and I love you. So we have to thank that, I thank you universe, I thank you universe for guiding me, for sending me this knowledge of clearing my energies. I'm clearing my energies now. I'm so thankful, I'm so thankful. And same way we are saying, I love you. Love is again a divine energy. So I love each and every soul on this universe. I love each and every aspect of this universe. I'm so happy and contented. So this is the basic zest of Ho'oponopono prayer. So now we have to manifest a soulmate. So we don't know what is blocking us. We don't know why we are so late in our life. So knowingly, unknowingly, we have created some negative energies. We have created something which is blocking our way to get attracted towards a soulmate. Same way, something negative must have been projected by the other person. That means the person you are attracting in your life. So for now attracting your soulmate or your life partner in your life, what we will do is we will do Ho'oponopono prayer. So we will say, I'm sorry, dear my would-be husband or would-be wife, I'm so sorry. Maybe knowingly, unknowingly, I have attracted negative energies which are blocking our way to be together soon. So I'm sorry for this. I'm trying to release my negative energies. I'm clearing my path now, and soon we will be together, because universe is giving me this guidance. Universe is helping me to understand what is going wrong, and I am now working on the path to be together. Fine. And then I forgive you also if knowingly, unknowingly, in this life or past lives, you have created a negative energy to block our way of getting together. So I forgive you and set you free in that case. So anybody from your family, your ancestors, any kind of a negative energy or blockages which has been created by you or your known people, knowingly or unknowingly, I forgive you for that and I set you free. So we both are clearing each other's energies now. We both are happy. We both are close by. I know universe is helping us to be together, and I am already in the process of cleansing our path and making us visible to each other, right? So, and then the fourth statement comes, I thank you so much that you have forgiven me and my family, or my extended family, or my ancestors. You have forgiven us all for whatever unknowing energies we have been creating. Thank you so much for forgiving me. And I love you so much because I have been waiting for you since so long. I'm waiting for you. Come and show up yourself into my life. So, with lots of divine love to you, with lot of divine blessings to you, I am universe, dear universe, and dear my life partner, my soulmate would be. I am now open to receive you in my life. I am now open and happy and contented, and I feel blessed that I am soon meeting you in person. I'm soon receiving your vibes. I'm happy that we will be together very soon, and we will end this long wait. So happy to see you. Thank you so much universe for helping me. Thank you so much universe for bringing my life partner close to me. Thank you so much universe for guiding me this pathway. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. So this is a basic. You don't have to say all these things every day, but now you know the basic zest of it, how we are using these 4 statements of Ho'oponopono prayer to manifest our soulmate or life partner. See, I will not use the word attract or manifest, because your life partner does already exist in this world right now. It's just that few energy blocks are holding you to come to each other. It is just that, nothing more, nothing less. So it is not a miracle. It is a normal thing. It's just that because of our old karmas, our old deeds, our negative deeds, we have been holding our energies and we are unable to see each other. Now we have the knowledge and we are doing this. So once you share this story, you can write it down, or if you can't even write it down, you can listen to this video at least once a day in the morning, so that you can have that feeling, because all this process I have been talking in present tense and in first person. So it is your inner voice I am talking, fine? And then you keep singing this song. So once you have projected to the universe this whole scene, that this whole Ho'oponopono prayer, you are singing for which purpose? This purpose. So you have stated this purpose once in the morning, and the whole day keep singing, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you and I love you. These are the magic words God has sent us all. Oh, Ho'oponopono, Ho'oponopono, Ho'oponopono. It's that simple. And okay, once you decide your goal, once you decide your particular goal which you want to manifest, and then the whole day try to be in a appreciation mode, try to be in a gratitude mode, and try to be in more accepting mode. You have to accept your situation first. Yes, this particular situation I am in right now is blocking. Okay, somewhere down the line I have created this situation. Dear universe, I accept my responsibility for my life. I accept the responsibility for my situation now, and I also accept that I am the one who will change this. I am the one who will bring it back to my life. I am the one who will make it positive now because I have the knowledge now. So when you accept loudly to the universe, your half of the karmas is done, half of the work is done. Acceptance is very important. And then you do the affirmations and this part, and then Ho'oponopono prayer. And another thing I want to tell you, appreciation and gratitude and happy mode, the more you are into these vibrations, the more easily things will work for you, the more, because these emotions which I am telling you to practice the whole day, these emotions will always indicate the universe will think, oh, in the morning she was wanting to meet her would-be husband, and she's so happy about it, and she's enjoying the whole day, she's so grateful about everything, she's so happy in her life, she should get it more, and hence he will send you more, because this is the law. You can't change it. It has to respond to your feelings. So if you are feeling happy, you have to have more moments to be happy. Nobody can change that reality, so you have to receive it. It is dead sure. Okay, so I hope you are happy and satisfied with my English accent and the things I have told you. Any change you would like me to implement, I will do it. Do suggest me in the comments. I am a little fast, I know, but anything you have, any other doubts, please let me know. I'll try and make both videos together. Okay, in my last video in Hindi, when I was talking in the other language, I was talking about the tree, if you remember. That day I was not carrying any tripod stand or anything with me, and I just requested the tree, dear tree, every day I'm praising you, every day I'm loving you, every day I'm kissing you, still you can't manage to balance my phone, please balance it for me. And it did, and it did. So this is the, maybe this is my feeling, but I love nature. I know even a table which we consider it as a dead object, even that helps me a lot, because we all are one. Everybody is a vibrational beings. So that is what I shared in that last video, if you wanted to know that. So thanks a lot. It was my responsibility to make an English video today, as I promised yesterday to Francis and also Ella, ELLELA. I hope you all like it. I will be making 2 videos now every day, one in English and one in Hindi. Thank you so much for watching me. God bless you. I love you. See you.